Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH, and in today's reading we will see what blessings are coming to you in the next 6 months. Since this is a general reading, it may not resonate for all of you, but if you want to consult with a personal advisor which can give you individualized reading, I highly recommend my new discovery, which is also the sponsor of this video, Psychic Source. Psychic Source is the most trusted psychic service in the industry with over 35 years of experience. They provide intuitive guidance that is available and accessible to anyone through their community of professional and gifted advisors. You can connect with them at your most comfortable way, whether it's through a phone call, video chat, or text chat. What I like about them is they are committed to hope, healing, and empowerment. And on top of that, they back their service with a no-risk guarantee and donate 1% of the purchases to charity at no extra cost. I recently had a reading with an advisor from Psychic Source. Her name is Venus, and I asked her a lot of questions about my career, my kids, and even my love life. And I'm so impressed with her accuracy that really helped me with a major decision that I had to make. And I also gained clarity with my future plans. Now here's the good news. I'm excited to share that Psychic Source is giving an extra special discount to new customers from my channel. This is the best and highest value promotion in the industry, and other psychic brands don't even close. Just go to trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen and use my code MrQueen to try up to 40 minutes with an advisor for just $19.80. That is up to $240 value. 40 minutes will allow you to talk to multiple advisors, and you don't have to use all the minutes in one session. This can help you maximize your time and make the best connection. You can also call the number on the screen to get a reading or scan this QR code to easily access the website. Again, that's trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen, or click the link on my description to connect with an advisor anytime, anywhere. Thank you so much, Psychic Source, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Pisces, let's see what are the blessings coming in sa inyo in the next 6 months from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. Let's see. Blessings sa mga Pisces. You have Elephant. Wow. So this is about being regal and majestic. So maaring yung iba sa inyo, Pisces, you will reinvent yourself. Maaring meron kang glow up na gagawin, no, in the next 6 months. This can be focusing on your health, your fitness, 'di ba? Lalo na kung isa sa goal mo ay maging physically fit, maaring mag-gym ka and magkakaroon ka ng determination and disiplina sa sarili mo para ma-achieve mo yung body goals na yan. And then some of you maaring meron ditong magpapaayos ng kilay or anything that will improve your looks, okay, your physical appearance. And also yung even your styling, no? Maaring yung pananamit mo i-improve mo rin. And I see you attracting attention, no? But you will gain a lot of attention, and you might attract a romantic partner if you are looking for a romantic partner. You also have the Star. This is about guidance, divine direction. So whatever you are pursuing, Pisces, in the next 6 months, marirealize mo kung anong direction yung dapat mong tahakin. Kasi minsan nagsimula na tayo, pero after natin magsimula, ano na yung next, 'di ba? Minsan nako-confuse na tayo kung ipupurso pa ba natin, but for some of you, you will be guided. You will be divinely guided. And this is you na nangangarap ng maraming bagay para sa sarili mo, para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. And yung pangarap na yun yung magiging guiding star mo, no? Na yun yung magiging simbolo ng pag-achieve mo for your dreams, yung star, okay? Kasi ang star, it stands for your goals, yung mga pangarap. And this is also about self-reliance. So meron kang mga ma-achieve na pangarap, goals sa buhay mo na kahit ikaw lang mag-isa kaya mo. You have the tree of life. Wow. The tree of life is about life's blessings. This is support. This is abundance. This is prosperity and having the resources na kailangan mo. So, you will be blessed with the tools, yung mga tools na kailangan mo para sa journey mo, para sa pangarap mo. Okay? Whatever this is. Halimbawa, gusto mong maging magaling na karpintero. Pero kulang yung tools mo. Wala kang martilyo, wala kang lagare. So, the universe will provide you the tools that you need para maging magaling ka na karpintero. So, whatever that is na pangarap mo. Siyempre, yung tools nga lang siya Kaya nga andyan para gamitin. Kasi kahit na anong tools ang ibigay sa'yo, kung hindi mo gagamitin, useless yon, 'di ba? So, ang importante, nandun yung resources na kailangan mo para ma-achieve mo yung pangarap mo, yung goals mo, yung dreams mo. Let's see what else, Pisces. Blessings. Eight of Pentacles. This is education. Some of you, pagtitibayin nyo, i-improve nyo yung kaalaman nyo. Kung ano yung meron na kayong knowledge ngayon. 'Di ba? You will also add new information, new skills. You are going to master your craft. Na, example, karpintero ulit tayo. Maraming karpintero, 'di ba? Maraming marunong gumamit ng martilyo, ng lagare. Pero hindi lahat expert or precise gumamit ng tools. So, yan yung blessing sa'yo na pagbubutihan mo pa, na imamaster mo kung paano mo gamitin yung mga tools na available sa'yo. Okay? At dahil dyan, yung hard work mo, it will pay off. You will see the results of your hard work. You also have the strength, lakas. Isa ito sa magandang blessing kasi pagkakaroon ng malakas na pangangatawan, stamina, vitality, energy, life force. 'Di ba? Aanohin natin yung mga tools na 'yan kung wala tayong lakas para gamitin. 'Di ba? So that's a blessing para sa inyo. You also have the Ten of Wands. Marami kang gagawin. It's a blessing sa iyo na kumbaga sabihin ng iba, ano ba 'yan? Nakakapagod. Pero kaya ka napapagod kasi maraming opportunity. 'Di ba? Let's say nagtitinda ka. Maraming bumibili sa iyo. Yes, nakakapagod siya. Pero ano naman yung epekto ng maraming customer? Maraming sales, 'di ba? So you will embrace that demands, yung load na binibigay sa iyo kasi kaya mo. Because you have the strength that you need. Okay? And then you have the Fool. Wow. So this is taking risks. Yung iba sa inyo malakas ang loob na magsimula ng bago. Malakas ang loob nyo na i-pursue yung gusto nyo. You have this vision para sa sarili mo, para sa pangarap mo na kaya mong gawin. Nang hindi ka natatakot sa mga consequences because naniniwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan. And yung iba sa inyo, magkakaroon kayo ng kalayaan na i-pursue yung dreams nyo. Kasi hindi naman lahat nakakapag-pursue ng dreams nila Dahil yung iba natatakot o kaya may limitation. But for you, you are free. Okay? Stay grounded and welcome the new knowledge and perspective coming to you. Diba? Yung sinasabi ko sa inyong knowledge, you will improve your knowledge, your skills. You are being gifted with blessings of happiness and peace. So, ang isa sa blessing mo, dalawa actually, ay happiness and peace. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam na masaya ka, tapos very peaceful yung mind mo, walang gumugulo sa isip mo. Let go of others' thoughts and opinions. It is time to embrace who you really are. Yes. So, I think isa to sa ili-let go mo. Papakawalan mo na. Yung yung feeling na merong nasasabi yung ibang tao sa'yo, yung opinion nila, hindi ka na maapektuhan. Okay? Hindi ka na magpapaapekto sa opinion ng iba kasi tanggap mo yung sarili mo for who you really are. And that is freedom, 'di ba? Minsan meron tayong ayaw gawin or sabihin dahil iniisip natin yung opinion ng iba. So, limitado tayo. Pero kung wala kang pakialam sa opinion ng iba, malaya ka, 'di ba? Listen. Okay, people start to heal the moment they feel heard. Yes, so some of you maaring you will be healed because merong taong handang makinig sa'yo. Or maaring ikaw rin to na you are also a healer na tumutulong ka rin sa iba at handa kang makinig sa iba ng walang judgment. Okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.